Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you can easily check the latency statistics on your Starlink. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Starlink app on your device. So how you can easily do that is by opening the app. And yeah, now what we need to do is scroll down until we see statistics. And here we have the latency. Now as you guys can see, here we have the latest, and here we have the median, which is the average. So basically, what is the latency? It sends the test pings to the internet to see how long in milliseconds your requests takes to go to the internet and back. So basically, high latency may actually be bad for you when you are video calling, gaming, playing video games, or simply watching videos on, let's say, YouTube. So that would be it. This is how you can easily check that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.